What is that?
Our new apparel. I thought you told me to get new apparel.
I just think it's kind of amazing that you guys ordered it and I didn't know about it. So you're kind of hoping I like it? I want to see. What is it? Show me.
Open this one.
Oh, that's cool. You know, this is our best-selling shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? But I've never seen it with in two colors. It was always one color. Wow. I like that. I like the way the shirt feels too. What kind of shirt is this?
Toltecs.
Toltecs. Wow, it feels soft. It feels nice. That's cool. Nice.
And 2X.
It's my size. What are the odds? They never put 2 X's on top. Oh, I like that. It's nice and long.
Yeah.
Too. No midriff.
No midriff, no belly button.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. What else you got? What's in here?
Check it out.
We'll check it out. Oh, wow. Is this a jacket?
It's a windbreaker. Independent
Windbreaker.
Supply windbreaker.
Well, I work up here with Phil Walk.
Yep.
So I need a windbreaker.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, look, that's a really cool windbreaker.
Quarter zip.
Dude, look at that.
Nice marsupial pouch.
You know what that would hold?
A pack of soda.
That's not at all what I was thinking.
It's all lined, so
Oh,
it's
pockets. Wow. God, I like this graphic too. That's El Caliente. One of my faves. That is a cool graphic. Wow. That is a really cool graphic. I figured you did that. But I did not. I feel like I'm trying to lose weight. It's good. Feels good. It's an interesting texture. Windbreaker. Nacho couch. Snacks. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I like that. I like that graphic. Yeah. This would make a cool hoodie too. This would make a cool regular hoodie as well. What a cool color.
Charcoal.
Oh, again, 2 X's on top. How neat is that?
Independent Supply
God,
sweatshirt.
dude, I love this graphic. I remember when Andy made this graphic. Oh, wow, look at it on the back. I like that a lot. That's cool. I love that color, too. It's like concrete or something. Oh my God, is that soft? Oh, that is... Oh, sleeves are nice and long. That is... Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Nice color, soft. Yeah, it's nice and roomy. Cool. This is really nice. This is a nice hoodie. Yeah. I want to be here in a minute.
Oh, is that a 2X?
Dude, you'd think you had this planned. Am I being set up?
No.
No. It's a cool color. Different. What's on the back of this one? Oh, it's that same.
Yeah.
I like that graphic. That's a great graphic. Right. That's the bike that I earned my 100-mile-an-hour
Oh, really?
catch on. Yeah, that's the bike that I got. I was pursued for over a half hour, over 100 miles an hour, and evaded the pursuit with witnesses. And so I got that. I got my patch.
And it's the hamster with
Hamster
like
patch. It's
the
a 100 mile an hour club. Yeah.